At times, it is hard to tell the difference between the sleep during meditation and transcending the mind due to my focus on the breath. Is there any way to tell the difference if I have transcended due to one-mindedness or due to sleep? If you are in meditation, if you are in deep meditation, getting into it, there are usually two situations that would arise. The one is drowsiness, sluggishness. You get into, in other words, you get into a sleep. The other one is your thoughts have been wandering around and you don't even know about it. Now, say if you're in meditation, after 1 hour, then you wake up and you say, "Oh, I'm already in samadhi because the 1 hour has gone so fast. It seems that I'm in a trance because, look, I wake up and then I look at the clock. It's already 1 hour. So I was in deep meditation." There's one situation. The other situation is you think that you're in meditation. Your thoughts still wander around, but you have lost your focus. Now let's get to the first situation first. You were sleeping and then you woke up. The ding goes dark and then you woke up. And you don't know if you were in a trance, in a meditation, or were sleeping. If you are not sleeping, then every thought should be on your object of focus. So in other words, your thought is on the breath, in and out, then it's in, out. You even count it. Some people even count it. In 1, out you don't count. In 2, out you don't count. In 3. So you count to 10 and then you go to 1 again. You 1 to 10, 1 to 10, 1 to 10 all the time so that you know you're 1 to 10, 1 to 10. But if you forget your 1 to 10 and you slept and then you woke up, you thought you were in a trance, you lost your focus already. You're sleeping. You're not in a meditative state. You were sleeping. If you are not sleeping, that means every thought continuously is on that object, on the breath. If you forgot about your breath, then it's not meditation anymore. So every breath counts. From 1 to 10, 1 to 10, you count it, and then some people say, well, 1 to 10, 1 to 5, and they lost it. And they woke up, 1 hour is already gone. Now I was in a meditative state. I was in a trance. That's not, because you lost your object of concentration. How to tell the difference? If 1 hour has gone by, and every thought you can trace is on your focus of breath, then you're not sleeping. You understand? Every thought is clear continuously, one after another. One thought, one momentary thought, followed by another momentarily thought, one thought after one thought after one thought. It's still the same object of focus. You didn't lose it. You didn't lose your thought. Then that's meditative. That's samadhi, because you're focused on one thing. If you don't have that object anymore, you didn't know. You wake up and in 1 hour it's already gone. You thought you were in a trance. No, that isn't. That is sleeping. Torpor, torpidity. Okay, so that's the difference. You can tell the difference. If you lost the count, then you were sleeping. If you didn't lose the count for 1 hour, you count from 1 to 10, 1 to 10 on every count. Some people count to 9 and then they're gone. Oh, I forgot to count. Okay, I counted again. So 1 to 10. They're always losing it and bringing it back and count it again. You always have to do that. Then you're still okay, but you lost it sometime. Maybe you lost it for 15 minutes, you lost it for 10 minutes, you lost it for 5 minutes, or you lost it for half an hour. We don't know. And then you come back to it. It's like your monkey has gone away and you don't even know about it. Next question. What do the Chinese characters on the red column in the meditation hall mean? And also there's in the gracious hall. Then you can ask the staff, they know about it. Okay, what does that mean? You can just read it and tell you what it means. Can beings in the matterless realm and realm of no desire retrogress into realm of desire? Yes. Beings in matterless realm or the no desire realm, after their karmic energy that qualify for them in that realm is gone, then they would retrogress maybe into the worst realms, into animal realms. It's just like they have been given a vacation by their karma. So they maybe, for example, in this life, you have done so much. So that energy gives you that temporary vacation. But your karma is still unclean. It's just you have done something tremendously influential that you've been given that karma. It's just like your boss say, okay, John, and you're an accountant in a tax season. You have done so much that will make a lot of money. You're doing a tax returns and all that. I'll give you a vacation to Las Vegas. Then you're going to Las Vegas for vacation. When you come back, you still fall into the same job again. You are just taking a vacation because of what you have done on your karma. You retrogress back. So people in the higher realm, after whatever they have done, qualified for is gone, they will retrogress back, maybe to the animal realm, we don't know. So it's uncertain. Even in the higher realm, it's uncertain. Of course, it's better to get a vacation than going to hell. Then they're getting fired. It's better to go to vacation than doing something bad. But that's just a vacation. It could be a long vacation, could be a short vacation, we don't know. So that's not a final destination to go. But the Buddha has already gone out. Not just Buddha. There's so many Buddhas who have already got out. The definition of Buddha is who got enlightened, who already got out from prison. Sakyamuni Buddha was one of the historical Buddha who came back and enlighten us. There are other Buddhas who will be coming to enlighten us. And there were past Buddhas who enlighten us too. And we have been in samsara for so long. We will continue in the samsara if you're not trying to improve yourself, you're still in samsara. And you will be in samsara in the 6 paths of reincarnation.